Hi, and welcome to Teacher Nell's Learning Resources, your place to listen, read, and enjoy amazing short stories. Let's get started. Before we read and listen to the chant about school, let us first rearrange the set of letters to form the words based on how I will describe them. Number one, this is what you use for writing. The letters to be arranged are N, E, and P. Can you guess what word is it? Correct. It is a pen. Number two, this is where you put your things. The letters to be arranged are B, G, A. What word is it? You got it. It is a bag. Number three, this is what you wear on your head to avoid the sun's heat. The letters to be arranged P, C, A. Great thinking. The answer is cap. Number four, this refers to a group of learners. The letters to be arranged are C, A, S, S, L. Can you guess what word is it? That's correct. You're learning so well. The answer is class. This is what we read if we want to learn a lot of things. The letters to be arranged are K, O, B, O. Can you guess what is it? I have another clue. Take a look of this picture. Now, can you tell me what is this? That's right. Well done. It is a book. Since you have done the activity correctly, let's proceed. We will now read a short text titled Back to School, which is about going to school. Are you ready? I grab my book. I grab my pen. I sit at my desk and work again. I look at the map. I wear my cap. I take my bag. It's time for class. Using the rag, I clean my shoes. Keeping everything neat is what we do. Please be quiet. Thank you too. You're welcome. Friends, respect and care we express and do. We keep our mat neat, our bin in place. We follow the rules with a smiling face. In the classroom, we'll listen well and always say please. We say thank you and share with ease. Let's see if you remember what we read. I'll ask you some questions. Number one, did you like the chant? Number two, what items does the speaker grab before sitting at their desk? Number three, what does the speaker do when it's time for class? And number four, what is the speaker's attitude toward following the rules in the second verse? Number five, how does the speaker suggest we should treat our friends in the chant? Now, share your thoughts and ideas with your classmates. That's it for today's story. Friends, if you had fun, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next adventure with Teacher Nels. Till next time, happy learning!